Hello! Welcome back to Lily Daily English, and today we will learn how to introduce yourself. My name is Lily. I am from the United States. I live in a friendly neighborhood. I love meeting new people. I love meeting new people. I am happy you are here today. I am happy you are here today. I enjoy learning every day. I also enjoy helping other people learn English. That is why I started this channel. When I was a child, I loved books. I also loved listening to people talk. As I grew older, I learned that every person has a story. Every story is special. Every person can teach us something. Life is not always easy. Sometimes we make mistakes. But every mistake helps us grow. I believe learning never stops. I am an English teacher, but teaching is more than my job. I want people to feel comfortable. I want people to feel comfortable. I want beginners to speak without fear. I want beginners to speak without fear. You do not need perfect English. You do not need perfect English. You only need courage to start. If you make mistakes, that is okay. If you make mistakes, that is okay. Mistakes help you improve. Mistakes help you improve. Every day is a new chance to practice. English is my first language. I also enjoy learning new languages. Learning another language opens new doors. It helps us understand other people. It helps us make friends around the world. Maybe English is new for you. That is okay. Take one step every day. Small steps become big progress. I love walking in the park. I love walking in the park. I love sunny mornings. I love sunny mornings. I enjoy drinking coffee. I enjoy drinking coffee. I like reading simple books. I like reading simple books. I enjoy quiet places. I enjoy quiet places. I love traveling and seeing new cities. I enjoy talking with kind people. I enjoy talking with kind people. I also love creating English lessons for you. I also love creating English lessons for you. That makes me happy.
That makes me happy.
Now it's your turn. Please answer these questions. What is your name? What is your name?
Where are you from? Where are you from?
What do you enjoy doing? What do you enjoy doing? Why are you learning English? Why are you learning English? What is your dream? What is your dream? What makes you happy? What makes you happy? What is one new thing you learned this week? Write your answers in the comments. I would love to read them. Thank you for learning with me today. Thank you for learning with me today. Remember, you do not need perfect English. You only need to practice. Speak a little every day. Listen every day. Read every day. Smile every day. Believe in yourself.
You can do it. Thank you for watching. See you in the next lesson. Bye.